Ozarks International Raceway. Actually on the raceway before the event starts. Getting a couple shots of my car out here. What an amazing track. Most amazing track I've ever been on. Scenery's fantastic. Rolling hills ridiculous. Long technical track. 4 miles, 20 turns. Takes a while to learn it. It's a blast. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go!
Yeah.
Okay. That was off throttle going up that hill.
That was good.
Bird. Almost hit the bird.
Yeah.
Still doing okay?
Oh yeah, doing great.
All right. You're a trooper. This is violent. These cars are fun as hell out here.
Oh man, you're making this the best ride I've ever had.
Awesome. Back to the finish line and a cool down lap.
Okie doke.
You're taking this like a champ.
I'm loving this, man.
That is freaking hauling ass out here, so good on you for surviving that.
Well, all I can say is This is the most fun I've had in a car with my clothes on. Absolutely amazing. Thank you for sharing.
Well, if you want to do a naked session, I'll just look this way.
This is a really neat track.
It's amazing. Thanks for coming with. Boom,
Hey,
fist bump.
listen, thanks for letting me come along, man.
Awesome. Well, you came all the way from Florida. Gotta make it a little more exciting here.
Yeah, you did that.
We're attacking the corners now, by the way.
Yep.
If you couldn't tell, this is my buddy Larry ahead of us. You doing okay?
Oh yeah,
All right, this is crazy.
it's pretty badass. It is a crazy fucking track, man.
Yes, and it's lovely. Ooh, getting airborne.
That's awesome.
Ooh, we're getting some air there.
That was awesome.
Yes, okay.
What a blast.
That's brave for you to
Absolutely.
deal with that crap.
Dude, that's awesome.
All right, we are recording. This is Chris Jr. You just saw his dad, Chris Sr. Introduce yourself, say hello.
Hello?
How old are you, Chris?
14.
14 years old, so you don't even have your learner's permit yet.
Nope.
This is going to be wild and crazy, unlike anything you've done before. We're going to start out, my tire pressures are real low, so we're going to start out actually pretty gingerly, so to speak. It may not seem gingerly. I'm going to avoid all the red curbing initially. And then once my tire pressures, which are on the dash, come up, my traction gets better with good grip, then we're going to start attacking the corners and going a lot harder. You got to stay wide, track left to go track right, and I'll be on that red later. You want to be track right here to set yourself up for a late apex here. Turn in the lane, get pointed down track. Off throttle early, nice gentle brake to heat up the tires and the brakes. This is the big high-speed roller coaster. I'm off throttle early because the tires are cold. I don't have as much grip right now, so we're only doing 101 there. You doing all right?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, swing out wide. It's easy to get off the line here. And dish out track left, and you want to be track right over here. Aim it down range on throttle. On the brakes a little earlier, not on the red just yet. That was off throttle, and you feel it's getting light there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, next lap is full on.
Alright.
Still doing okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Doing okay?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of speed. Lane apex, down track, off throttle. Is this crazy?
Yeah.
that chaos. Don't try to replicate that when you get your driver's license.
No promises.
Funny.
He's gentle as a little teddy bear.
That was not gentle. That was violent.
Well, it was more G's that I ever pulled in a car, both lateral and fore and aft. So,
thoughts?
Oh, it was badass. Absolutely badass. It was amazing.
It was awesome, dude. I'd do it again.
Chaos?
Yep.
Dad's off camera. I told this guy, don't try to replicate this when you get your driver's license. Just came off track.
Yes.
He drives same damn car, same damn track. We were talking about some differences there.
Yeah.
Good, bad, different, ugly.
Between us,
Yeah.
driving wise,
Yeah.
your timing and commitment to the throttle and braking and setting the point up, setting the nose of the car to go in to point where you want to go is the experience shows.
All right, that's David. He's getting ready to go on track. We just ran together. That's a wrap for the 760 Middleton Motorsports Carbon Fiber Track Pack GT500 here at Ford Enthusiast Nationals, aka Shelby Flyer, or I'm sorry, ShelbyFest, different Shelby. We're at Ozarks International Raceway in Missouri. Kyle Caraway puts on a fabulous event. Had an absolute blast. David and I just did my fastest lap of the couple days here, 247.1 with two big dudes in the car, going full frickin' send at the end of the day. I'll take it. That's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.